This is the homework for lesson number 53, the ultrasonic lesson for measuring inches with using a little OLED display. You can see here how I've got things. If I can find my pencil, there it is. Here I've got the display set up. I didn't use the same pins. Well, I did. What he set it up over here, so I did that too on the data and the clock. And we had I've got the button switch here on pin 11, and then I've got the trig the trig and the what was it called? The ping. What is it called? Oh, it's called. Okay, there it is. The trig pin and the echo pin. Couldn't remember the name. Anyway, I got echo pin on 13 and trig pin on 12. I think Paul had it backwards, but or the other way because it just seemed the most logical way to put it to me. Anyway, we got this all set up. I got the display working. I've got the thing, and I got the button connected over here to pin 11. It's connected to ground, and I set up an internal pull-up. If you look here in the setup, here's the trig pin as an output, and the echo pin as an input. Then I have an input pin pull-up on the butt pin. Then I clear the display to get rid of anything that might be in the buffer. And then we got down here. I said, if the butt state equals digital read butt pin, I should say the butt state equals the state of the butt pin. Okay, then I have the butt state equals 0. If it equals 0, then we do all this stuff. It goes all the way back, then goes right back up. Oh, don't do that. Goes back up and starts over again. It starts looking for the butt state again. So okay, that's pretty much it. This is all the same stuff we did last week. And here's where I've just set up the display. I set up a little box to this darn. Every time you get anywhere near something, it comes up with information. I don't need it. I wish I could turn it off. Then I set the cursor to a point where I wanted it to be because I wanted to try to center this and adjust it so you could actually see it. Okay, and then I set text color white, and I set the text to size to 2, which seems to be pretty good. Right about, I can be bigger, but then you can't put as much in it with 3. So anyway, then I put print distance, and then I put a little space. I just wanted a space between it and the actual displayed inches. And then I take the filtered to target stuff, and then I put inches after it, and then I display it, and then clear the display. All right. And then it waits to go do it again. So right now I've got it set on 4 inches. I set it for 4. I've pushed the button. It goes to 4.2. Pretty close. You got a lot of little things that affect the actual reading. There's 3 inches there. It's hanging on to that 3 inches. It's still there, but doesn't change until I push the button. Then it goes to 2 inches. Then it goes out here to 8 inches. Let's see what happens at 8 inches. 7.5. Well, might be a little bit crooked. It's still 7.5. It's not that great out there. 6.7 on 7 inches. And 6 on 6 inches. I don't know what the difference is, but I suspect it's got to do with reflections and who knows what else happens with this ultrasonic stuff. When it goes out and starts coming back, you probably get a lot of reflections from all the junk on my desk. Anyhow, that's my homework. And I appreciate you doing these videos, Paul. And we will see you guys on Tuesday for this one.